Hey everyone, it's Linda with What's Linda Cooking. Today I am doing a quick shrimp stir fry. I have this shrimp that I was going to make yesterday but didn't get to it. So I'm just going to do it today. And I've got my wok here. This is my stainless non-stick wok. It's one of my favorite items. I've got that. And I have some shrimp here. And I'm going to put in a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I'm going to saute these up. Oh, got that last one. I got a lot of shrimp because we were supposed to have about 4 people eating this. And it's just Michael and I tonight. So we're going to season up the rest of that. Let me get this up a little bit high. I have a little bit too much liquid in it, but that's okay. It will cook off. So I've got that going. Now I'm going to make my little sauce. I've got stir-fry vegetables here. I'm going to add that too. So in here, I'm going to take, and I've got this upside down. This is my little garlic tool. And I'm going to take 3 cloves of garlic, and we're just going to have these minced. And then I'm going to put in some suspects here. And I think I might need this up a little bit higher. Let that go. Because this is when you need a little help. You're just using the bags of veggies. And this was already peeled and deveined shrimp. So really, really easy. So I'm going to throw, oh, that piece doesn't look that great. So I'm going to put that in there. So that's my garlic. And I'm going to help it out with a little more garlic here. Then I'm going to put in a little bit of chicken stock. Hold on. A little bit of this in there. And I'm going to need a little bit of water too. Just a little bit of that. I'm going to put a little bit of red pepper flakes. Just a little bit. That's it. I'll put a little bit of oil in here too. Oh, let's put the rest of the seasoning. I'm going to put some onion powder, because I just like that. And then some more garlic, because I like garlic. Give me a shout out if you like garlic too. Oh, my shrimp. Let's move it around. These are my tongs. Love that. Okay. Yeah, I got a little bit too much liquid in it, but that's okay. We're going with it. We're not getting too stressed out by the cooking. You don't need to be stressed out. You can just go ahead and cook, because you don't have to be perfect. That's the problem. A lot of us, we think that we have to be perfect all the time, and we don't. If something doesn't come out right, that's what takeout is for. Okay, but let's try at least. I've got my whisk here. We've got a little bit of soy sauce that we're going to put in here. Let's see. This is a brand new soy sauce, though. And let me just put, I'm doing that much. Maybe a little more. Okay, there we go. And I've got a little bit of ginger. I like the ginger paste. It's a little bit easier. There. Got that. And a little bit of hot sauce. Just a little bit. Michael doesn't like it too spicy, so we're going to do that. Going to mix this up. Then I'm going to taste it. My shrimp is looking good. Oh, I'm forgetting. I have some leftover rice. Right here. I'm going to put a little bit of water in it, hydrate it a little bit, just a tiny bit. I'm going to put it in the microwave for about, I don't know, let's try 2 minutes. And that's a savings tip. Make rice once, put it in the refrigerator, and then, you know, just kind of use it up, okay? Because rice only takes about 20 minutes. To make, so not too long, but still you you don't want it to take too long. I'm going to grab a little bit I want a little bit of sweetness in this. And I can do brown sugar, and I think I'm going to do some brown sugar. Because I want a little bit of sweetness. Just to balance this out. Is this the only one I have? Hold on. Hold on. Let me see if I have any others. No, I think that's it. I don't really want to open that up. So guess what? Instead of brown sugar, I'm doing honey. It's my recipe, so I can do that. While the shrimp is almost set, and you know what? I do not want to overcook that shrimp. So what I'm going to do is put it back in here. I'm going to put it back in here. Woo! I lost one. Let's put it back here. Okay. So, I'm going to put a little more oil in here. And in goes the vegetables. And these are frozen, so these are gonna, they're like already cooked. And this is just the frozen mix. I got this on sale, and it was like $1 a bag. Easy, convenient, love it, okay? So, I don't know if you can see that right there. And what's great about these is you can add in fresh veggies too if you wanted to. You can add in some fresh veggies kind of to supplement what you already have. Okay, so I was going on to putting a little bit of sweetness in this. I'm going to do some honey. And about that much. I'm going to use the rest of it. That I got from a wedding that they did local honey as the favor. My dear friend Michelle's daughter got married. And her bride, that's what they gave as their favor. And I thought that was such a great idea. So, let me take that off right there. And it's okay. It's going to melt a little bit in there. I'm going to try. Good. Oh! Getting it all over the place. That's okay. Okay. Now, I'm going to thicken this up a little bit with a little bit, and I'm not going to use that one, a little bit of cornstarch. Just a little bit. Thicken it up. Let's stir fry this a little bit. There we go. Look at how nice that is looking. How quick this is coming together. Quick weeknight meal. And what I would do is if I had some extra, you know, it doesn't have much peppers in it, and I'm wondering if I have extra pepper. Let's see. I had some pepper that I cut, but I don't think I do. No, I used it all. Too bad. And I don't feel like cutting one up, so I'm just going to kind of go with what I have. I'm going to add a little more water to it. There we go. Let's try it again. That's good. That's good. It's nice and balanced. I actually think it could take a little more heat. So I'm putting that in it. Michael might not like that, but it's okay. We've got that. We've got this. Now we're going to add the shrimp again. Look at this. This is phenomenal. We're going to add this. Now, I'm going to let this come up to a boil. And it's going to thicken it really, really nicely. As we bring that up to boil. And I'm going to bump that up a little bit. Bump that up a little bit. And then I'm going to grab the rice. So this rice seems like it's nice and done. There we go. let's move some of this out of the way. Usually, if things take a little bit longer, I'm actually cleaning up as I go along so that I have a completely clean workstation. So let me grab this. And today I had I have a conference all day at home, so I didn't have a lot of time. It just ended. I've got a call before the conference begins again tonight. So this is a perfect type of meal to be made. So I'm going to take one of these and see how it's tasting and adjust my seasoning. That tastes good. More pepper, a little more salt. And you know what? I'm going to do a little bit more. That. You know, I'm going to do a little more ginger. There you go. Because I want more of that ginger flavor. And we're going to mix it all in. And I also want it a little thicker, because it's not quite thick enough, I don't think. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take, here it is. Take this. I'm going to add a little bit more. That's the corn starch. So I'm going to add that and add cold water. You always do cold water with your cornstarch, and you're going to make a little slurry. Look at that. And we're going to add it. It's going to thicken it up, because as it's boiled, it thickens it. Mix that all up. That is looking better. One more thing. Adding a little more soy sauce. Adjusting as I go along. Remember, cooking, it is a science, but it's not, you know, if it comes out wrong, not a big deal. Like I said, that's what takeout is for. Oh, this is looking good. Okay, so let's serve this up. Let me grab this. We're gonna grab some rice. There we go. And then we're gonna grab some of the veggies and some of the shrimp. And there it is. Shrimp and veggie stir fry. Easy, easy, all done in less than 15 minutes. What are you thinking of? I'd love to hear. Just post it below. Bye.